Are you ready to take control of your financial future but feel overwhelmed by the world of investing? Many people think investing is complicated or requires a lot of money to start. But what if I told you that with the right approach, anyone can build lasting wealth? In this video, we'll demystify investing for you, providing clear, actionable steps to help you confidently navigate your financial journey and achieve significant growth. Before you dive in, laying a strong financial foundation is crucial. Think of it like building a house. You need solid ground first. This means getting your budget in order, creating an emergency fund, and tackling high-interest debt. First, create a budget to understand where your money goes. A helpful tip is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% dedicated to savings and paying off debt. Next, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. This is your safety net for unexpected events like job loss or medical bills. And eliminate high-interest debt. Debts like credit card balances can quickly eat away at any investment gains. Paying these off frees up more money for your future investments. Now, once your foundation is stable, it's time to define your investment goals. What are you investing for? A house, retirement, or maybe a child's education? Goals can be short-term, 1 to 3 years, medium-term, 3 to 10 years, or long-term, over 10 years. Your goals will directly influence your risk tolerance, which is your comfort level with potential fluctuations in your investments. Generally, a longer time horizon allows you to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. This is not investment advice, it is just a guide to help you invest better and smart. A key principle to remember is only invest money you can afford to lose. Never touch your emergency fund or money you'll need soon. Also, embrace the pay yourself first principle. Make investing a priority by allocating a portion of your income as soon as you get paid, just like any other bill. Now, let's talk about the incredible power of compound interest. This is often called interest on interest because your earnings get reinvested and start earning their own returns, creating exponential growth over time. Even small, consistent contributions can lead to substantial wealth. Want a quick way to estimate how long it takes for your money to double? Use the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your annual interest rate. For example, at an 8% return, your money doubles in about 9 years, 72 divided by 8. This simple rule highlights the importance of time in investing. To reduce risk, diversify your investments across different assets. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Also, consider dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly. This helps average out your purchase price and removes emotional decisions from market fluctuations. For beginners, consider options like high-yield savings accounts for easy access to cash, CD ladders for predictable income, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for instant diversification across many assets. And don't forget tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks or IRAs. They can significantly boost your long-term returns by reducing tax liabilities. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The most important step is to start, even if it's with a small amount, and remain patient and consistent. By understanding these fundamentals, setting clear goals, and maintaining a disciplined approach, you can confidently build a path toward a more secure financial future. Your journey starts now. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, and share it with anyone ready to start their investing journey.